Hello student, this is the fifth session of solutions and colligative properties, and in previous video we had seen what is meant by colligative properties, and there are four colligative properties. First is vapor pressure lowering, boiling point elevation, third is freezing point depression, and fourth one is osmotic pressure. And today I am going to teach you vapor pressure lowering. This is the first colligative property. First we will say what is vapor pressure. The vapor pressure, the pressure exerted by the vapors on the liquid when liquid is in equilibrium with its vapors is called as vapor pressure. Listen carefully. The pressure exerted by the vapors of liquid when it is in a closed container is in equilibrium with its vapor. It's called as vapor pressure. Easy definition is the pressure exerted by the vapors of liquid is known as vapor pressure when it is in equilibrium. Okay, if P10 is the vapor pressure of pure solvent, 0 is denoted as for pure. So if P1 is 0 is the vapor pressure of pure solvent and P1 is the vapor pressure of solvent, then lowering of vapor pressure it is denoted as a delta P is equals to P10 minus P1, that is P10 minus P1 means lowering of vapor pressure or vapor pressure lowering is defined as the difference between the vapor pressure of pure solvent to the vapor pressure of solvent in the solution. Okay, according to Raoult's law, as you know, according to Raoult's law, P1 is equals to P10 into X1, that is, it is the product of vapor pressure of pure solvent and its mole fraction. But for binary solution, X1 is equals to 1 minus X2, as X1 plus X2 is always 1. Then put this value in above equation, we get P1 is equals to P10, and instead of X1 we are putting 1 minus X2. Then multiply by P10, it gets P10 minus P10 into 1 means P10 and P10 into X2, P10 into X2. P1 is equals to P10 minus P10 X2. Then rearrange this P1 minus P10 sorry, P10 minus P1, this and it is equals to P10 into X2. But P10 minus P1, according to the definition, we have delta P. P10 minus P1 is equals to delta P. It is the lowering of vapor pressure. Therefore, instead of this, we are using delta P, and therefore delta P is equals to P10 into X2. It means the lowering of vapor pressure, that is delta P, depends on mole fraction of solute particle. So delta P is a colligative property. Is a colligative property. So vapor pressure is pressure exerted by the vapors of liquid when it is a enclosed container and it is in equilibrium, is called as vapor pressure. If P10 is the vapor pressure of pure solvent and P1 is vapor pressure of that solvent in the solution, then lowering of vapor pressure is denoted as delta P, and it is equals to P10 minus P1. But according to Raoult's law, we have equation P1 is equals to P10 into X1. But for binary solution, X1 is equals to 1 minus X2, and P1 is equals to P10 into 1 minus X2. So multiply by P10, we get delta P is equals to, this is P10 minus P1 is equals to P10 into X2. But for P10 minus P1 is delta P, that is lowering of vapor pressure, and so delta P is equals to P10 into X2. X2 is the mole fraction of solute, and we can prove that this lowering of vapor pressure is depend on the number of solute particles, and so it is a colligative property. Is it clear? What is colligative property? The property of solution which depend on number of solute particles and not on the nature. And so delta P, that is lowering of vapor pressure, is depend on only solute particle, number of solute particle, and so it is a colligative property. Okay. The next topic is relative lowering of vapor pressure. Under this property, that is vapor pressure lowering, we have second point, that is relative lowering of vapor pressure. Relative lowering of vapor pressure, it is the ratio of vapor pressure lowering of solvent to the vapor pressure of pure solvent. Pure solvent is called as relative lowering of vapor pressure. relative lowering of vapor pressure. Therefore, formula relative lowering of vapor pressure is equals to lowering of vapor pressure. This is the ratio of lowering of vapor pressure to the vapor pressure of pure solvent. Delta P upon P10, and it is equals to delta P is P10 minus P1. It is the difference between the pure solvent, vapor pressure of pure solvent and vapor pressure of that solvent upon P10. But we have delta P upon P10 is equals to X2. X2, that is mole fraction of solute. It is equals to, instead of this we are using X2. X2 is equals to P10 minus P1 upon P10. Thus, relative lowering of vapor pressure is also depends on mole fraction of solute. Mole fraction of solute in its solution. Therefore, relative lowering of vapor pressure is also a colligative property. If बोर्ड में क्वेश्चन आता है कि शो दैट रिलेटिव lowering of vapor pressure is a colligative property, or explain why relative lowering of vapor pressure is colligative property, then you must write all these things. Okay. Then next topic is relationship between molar mass of solute and the vapor pressure lowering. ये भी क्वेश्चन 2 मार्क्स के लिए आ सकता है बोर्ड में. relationship between molar mass of solute and vapor pressure lowering. That is delta P and M2. M2 is molar mass of solute and delta P is lowering of vapor pressure. So we have to find out the relationship between them. There is a derivation and it is for 2 marks. If as we know delta P upon P10 is equals to X2. Equation 1, that is relative lowering of vapor pressure is equals to X2, but X2 is equals to N2 upon N1 plus N2. N2 is the number of moles of solute and N1 is number of moles of solvent. So X2, how will you calculate X2? X2 is equals to number of moles of solute upon number of moles of solution. And in solution there are 2 moles, that is moles of solution plus solvent plus moles of solute. Then if as N1 means number of solutions, number of moles of solutions are very large than N2. Therefore, N1 plus N2 is equals to, we can write N1. Then X2 is equals to, X2 becomes N2 upon N1. X2 becomes N2 upon N1. This is equation 2. Suppose we prepare a solution. We prepare a solution by dissolving W2 gram of solute in W1 gram of solvent. Weight of solute is W2 gram and weight of solvent is W1 gram, and M1 and M2 are the molar masses of solvent and solute respectively. Then N1 is equals to W1 upon M1. Number of moles is equals to weight of solvent upon molar mass of solvent, and similarly N2 is equals to also W2 upon M2. And from equation 1 and 2, ये इक्वेशन में थोड़ा चेंज करती हूँ, N2 upon N1 is equals to X2. In equation 1 and equation 2, RHS are equal, so we can write the LHS are equal. So from equation 1 and 2, we get delta P upon P10 is equals to N2 upon N1. Then put these values in this equation, we get, therefore delta P upon P10 is equals to W2 upon M2 upon W1 upon M1. Delta P upon P10 is equals to W2 upon M2 upon W1 upon M1, and this is the relationship between lowering of vapor pressure and M2. And we can calculate M2 from this equation. M2 is equals to P10 upon delta P into W2 upon W1 into M1. And on the basis of this formula, numericals are there. So solve the numericals. Is it clear, student? This is the first property of colligative property of solution, that is vapor pressure lowering. Okay. Thanks for watching.